You're so cute. You like it here? Yeah? Okay. Hello everyone, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. So today I'm going to show you guys a grocery haul that I decided to film literally as I was putting away the groceries. I was like, this is actually a really good haul to show you guys because I feel like I got a good variety of things. I don't know, I just felt like it was a good haul to show you. It's been a while since I've shown you guys a grocery haul and I used to love making the grocery hauls and you guys used to love these, okay? But this is like years ago, so maybe you don't care anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and then at the very end, I'll tell you how much everything cost. We're going back to the old school, okay? Yeah, hopefully this video is helpful. This is a 2022 version, so I'm sure if we look back at my old grocery hauls, we're gonna be like, oh my god, the prices have changed. Keep on watching, and you can see what I got, as well as how much everything cost. I'm also gonna link my grocery haul playlist down below, so you can watch my old grocery hauls as well. I think it'd be kind of interesting to like compare like 2015 grocery hauls to like 2022. Anyway, yeah, here we go. Here's the grocery haul. All right, you guys, so this is a vegan grocery haul. And there is Puri. I did film a video talking about my new rescue dog. So if you guys want to see that, I will link that down below if you want to hear a little bit more of Puri's story. Alright, so first thing I want you guys to notice is that I do not have really any substitutes. For example, I have no fake meat, fake cheeses. I guess the only like substitute I have is some almond milk, but I don't have any of the fancy items that people might attribute to vegan food because those things are expensive, and I think honestly a lot of vegans don't eat those things all the time. I'm not demonizing them at all. I'm just saying that, you know, you don't have to eat Beyond Meat burgers all the time or even ever, and you don't have to have like fake cheeses. That's not the majority of a lot of people's vegan diets, and it's also not the best way to save money. So if you're looking to eat a whole foods plant-based diet or something that's close to a whole foods plant-based diet, you definitely will save money in my opinion compared to eating a non-vegan diet or eating a more processed vegan diet. So again, not demonizing any of that. I do love me some fake meat, fake cheese, all that stuff, but it's not the majority of my diet. And again, I wasn't like intending on making it like this. This is just what I happen to buy. All right, let's get started right here. I tried to organize it to the best of my ability. Let's go. We got here some pastas. Of course, pasta, some of the cheapest and the most delicious food out there. I guess I put the spaghettini here. We got some spaghettini. We got some baby shells. I got 2 bags of those. And we also got some rigatoni, okay? Sorry, Italians. I just really like to say things in a bad Italian accent. Big bags of pasta. I think each of these are like 900 grams, and then this one is 500 grams. I always have a lot of pasta on hand because it's easy, it's simple, it cooks fast, and it's affordable, and it doesn't really go bad. So I just have a lot on hand. And then we have some long grain white rice. I wanted to make or attempt to make some food for Puri. She seems to be a very picky eater, but I kind of want to make her something. So I just got a standard white rice. I normally do short grain Korean rice, but for Puri, I thought, okay, maybe I'll try the long grain and see how she likes it. The thing is, the good news is Nari, which is my dog that lives with my parents, Puri's sister, they haven't met yet. Nari is not a picky eater at all, so if I make food for Puri and she doesn't like it, Nari will eat it for sure. So I'm gonna make something for Puri. So long grain white rice, again, rice, especially long grain, tends to be cheaper, I find. I prefer short grain because I'm Korean, so what I like to eat is short grain, but I also don't mind long grain. And now we can talk about the produce. So I got parsley. This is a gigantic, very impressive bunch of parsley. I'm very, very happy with that. Love me some fresh parsley on top of pasta. This is, you know, not necessary, but it wasn't too expensive and it's like a lot. And parsley tends to, in my experience, last a bit longer, I find, than other like herbs, like fresh herbs. So I just keep it in the fridge. You can also chop it up and then put it in a tightly sealed container, and I think that makes it last a little bit longer. And then we have some zucchini. I got 4 zucchini. We have some sweet potatoes. Again, I'm gonna make some food with sweet potato and rice and see what happens. I'm gonna probably add some lentils and stuff. We've got fruit here. We've got some apples. We've got ambrosia apples. Those are my favorite. We also have some oranges and some limes. I wanted to make some margaritas. I might have some friends over, so we might be making some margaritas, so that's why I got some limes. Baby spinach, and now, yeah, I did not organize this that well. I also have baby carrots. That's my other produce thing, okay? And now let's look at the canned items. Okay, so normally I would also get things like canned beans, but I have plenty of canned beans, so I figured I don't need to. So we have some hearts of palm. Oh my god, I love hearts of palm. It's a bit expensive, honestly, but in my opinion, it's worth it. It's worth it, okay? And we also got some artichoke hearts. I'm gonna make my high protein spinach artichoke dip from my new ebook, the No More Cabbage Soup ebook. So I'm gonna make that today, and that's why I got some artichoke hearts. And I also got some I think these are roasted sweet peppers. Are these roasted? I think they are. Yeah. I sometimes roast my own bell peppers, and roasted peppers are like the best. But I actually think it's cheaper to buy the jarred ones and use that instead, because you get quite a lot, and peppers are so expensive. Okay, it costs like maybe almost $2 for one pepper. I think this jar was like less than $4, and I feel like there's more than 2 in here. Okay, I don't know, it's a weird thing, but I feel like this is cheaper, but I don't know how it's gonna taste, but it's cheaper, so yay. And now we have the tofu, of course. Tofu's gotten a little more expensive, so it makes me want to cry. I got 2 things of extra firm tofu, and we also have 2 things of soft tofu, and I have a thing of medium firm tofu. So we got all kinds of tofu up in here. And I also got some hummus. Hummus to go with the carrots. Yay! We also have some almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, and we have some chips again because I might have people over. I got some tortilla chips, 2 different kinds, and I also got salsa to go with the tortilla chips. Yay! So there you go, guys. There is my grocery haul. Let me see how much it cost. So this whole thing came to a little over $107 Canadian. I did order it on Instacart, so it did cost me a little extra for service fee and tips. And I normally don't like to order on Instacart because they waste a lot of plastic bags, but I did need some groceries, and I didn't really want to leave this one alone by herself on her second day here. So that's why I ordered it online, and obviously I got more than I normally do so that I can be, you know, nice and well stocked for a while. So yeah, a little over $107 Canadian for this haul. Say hi, Bodhi. Bodhi. Hello, look at your tail. Bodhi. Today is Bodhi's second full day in Canada. Isn't it? Oh, hello. Are you adjusting? You're so cute. You like it here? Yeah? Okay. Alright guys, so that was my grocery haul. I hope that was interesting or helpful. And as you can see, I just buy my groceries at the standard grocery store. Some people are like, do you only shop at like Whole Foods? I was like, what? No, I never really shop at like health food stores unless I'm buying something specific because I'm not made of money. Okay, you know what I'm saying? In this economy, no, I just shop at the standard grocery store, and there's plenty to buy as a vegan at standard grocery stores. So hopefully this video was interesting to you, and if it was helpful, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and once again, the grocery haul playlist will be down below, so definitely check that out. And if you guys want to check out my ebooks, the links are down below as well to shop. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!